Hey, do you want to earn 1 crore using YouTube? Just want to tell you how I started YouTube and earned. I'm a graduate and only child to my parents. As soon as I finished my graduation, my father did a suicide because of our financial issues. I had to cremate my dad alone. My situation was very terrible, and I didn't want to involve my mom. And I used to just wake up for her and smile and get going. And all our relatives and close ones has turned their faces as we might ask some money or help from them. It's a pretty bad situation. I have done the cremation of my dad alone. I had no one around, and I had a girlfriend who left me because of my financial situation, knowing about my dad. She never wanted to know how I was doing. She got married and she had continued. I didn't felt bit awkward because I know my situation. She I just got $50 from him when he passed away. It was a totally disastrous moment for me. I I went and applied to from local job consultancies and got a job in a BPO where I have to make calls for continuous 9 hours and used to earn around 7 or 8 thousand per month. I stayed in the house where my dad had passed away for next 3 years, so I felt his presence there. So I had to move out of it, and I never showed my depression, my anger uh, to anyone who I'm close to. I used to roam on roads all alone, uh, used to walk for long hours, never showed this side to anyone, mostly my mom. So then I have came across this YouTube idea and started making random videos, technical videos, and suddenly I got a chance to generate money. Got an email from AdSense and all. In the beginning, I got good amount like 5 to 10 thousand per month. Nowadays, I'm not getting much. It's pretty pennies around. I'm currently working in an MNC with a manageable salary. Not sure till when I could hold on to the job. Scared I will be sacked because this is my personal experience. There is a lot of things to be added. I just doesn't want to share my details. Not sure if someone would watch this. If you are watching, please support me. Just like, share my experience, and subscribe to my channel and support me. Let me come to the 1 crore concept. It's a joke on my life. What will I teach you? My life is empty and always feel it sucks. Uh, Please subscribe, like, and also comment. Let's see where does it take.